field of building inspections, the plan reviewer and the inspector have different but interrelated roles. In most cases, the plan reviewer is considered a step above the inspector in terms of experience, knowledge, and seniority. The plan reviewer reviews construction plans and specifications to ensure they comply with building codes, standards, and design principles. The inspector conducts field inspections to verify that construction work aligns with the approved plans and meets code requirements. While plan reviewers may provide clerical support in some cases, such as distributing plans to inspectors, their primary function is not clerical. They are essential for ensuring that construction meets the necessary standards and protecting public safety. Plan reviewers typically have a higher level of technical knowledge and expertise than inspectors. They are responsible for understanding complex design concepts, interpreting codes, and ensuring that plans are feasible and safe. Inspectors, on the other hand, focus on the physical aspects of construction and enforcing code compliance. Plan reviewers and inspectors collaborate closely throughout the construction process. Plan reviewers provide guidance to inspectors on specific code requirements and construction details. Inspectors, in turn, provide feedback to plan reviewers on field conditions and potential code violations. The relationship between plan reviewers and inspectors is not strictly hierarchical, but is based on their complementary roles and areas of expertise. Plan reviewers ensure compliance with codes and standards during the planning phase, while inspectors verify compliance in the field. Both play critical roles in ensuring the safety and quality of construction projects. The difference in responsibility starts with the plan reviewer, who carefully examines construction plans and specifications. This meticulous review aims to guarantee adherence to all relevant building codes, established standards, and fundamental design principles. The inspector, on the other hand, takes on the responsibility of conducting on-site field inspections. These inspections are crucial for verifying that the actual construction work being carried out aligns perfectly with the plans that have already been approved. Furthermore, the inspector ensures that the construction work meets all the necessary code requirements. While plan reviewers may, in certain instances, provide some level of clerical support, such as efficiently distributing plans to inspectors, it is crucial to understand that their primary function goes far beyond mere clerical tasks. Plan reviewers play a vital and essential role in ensuring that all construction projects not only meet the required standards but also prioritize and protect public safety to the fullest extent. In terms of knowledge and expertise, plan reviewers typically possess a more extensive and advanced level of technical knowledge compared to inspectors. They are entrusted with the critical responsibility of comprehending intricate and complex design concepts. Additionally, they must possess the ability to interpret various codes accurately and make informed decisions regarding the feasibility and safety of the proposed plans. Inspectors, on the other hand, direct their attention and focus on the tangible and physical aspects of the construction process, with a strong emphasis on rigorously enforcing code compliance throughout the construction phase. Collaboration and effective communication are essential elements in the successful execution of construction projects. Plan reviewers and inspectors engage in close collaboration and maintain open lines of communication throughout the entire construction process. Plan reviewers serve as valuable resources, offering guidance and clarification to inspectors regarding specific code requirements and providing detailed insights into various construction aspects. In return, inspectors provide crucial feedback to plan reviewers, sharing their observations of field conditions and highlighting any potential code violations that may arise during construction. In summary, the relationship between plan reviewers and inspectors is not strictly defined by a hierarchical structure. Instead, it is founded upon the complementary roles and specialized areas of expertise that each professional brings to the table. Plan reviewers take on the responsibility of ensuring strict compliance with codes and standards during the initial planning phase of a project. Simultaneously, inspectors play a critical role in verifying that construction work adheres to these codes and standards while the project is in progress. Both plan reviewers and inspectors are indispensable in ensuring the safety and overall quality of construction projects. The distinction between plan reviewers and inspectors can also be viewed through the lens of their involvement in different stages of the construction life cycle. The plan reviewer is primarily involved in a pre-construction phase, meticulously scrutinizing plans and specifications to identify potential issues before any physical work begins. This proactive approach allows for corrections and adjustments to be made early on, preventing costly and time-consuming rework later in the project. The inspector, on the other hand, is primarily involved in the construction phase, acting as the eyes and ears on site to ensure that the approved plans are being followed and that the work is being performed in a safe and compliant manner. This ongoing monitoring helps to maintain quality control and prevent code violations from occurring. To further elaborate on the knowledge and expertise required for each role, plan reviewers often need a deeper understanding of engineering principles, architectural design, and complex building systems such as structural, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing. They must be able to analyze drawings, calculations, and specifications to ensure that the proposed design meets all applicable codes and standards. Inspectors, while also requiring a solid understanding of building codes, tend to focus more on the practical application of those codes in the field. They need to be able to identify code violations, assess the quality of workmanship, and ensure that materials being used meet the required specifications. The collaboration between plan reviewers and inspectors is crucial for ensuring a smooth and successful construction project. Regular communication and information sharing between the two roles can help to prevent misunderstandings, resolve conflicts, and ensure that everyone is on the same page. For example, if an inspector encounters a situation in the field that is not clearly addressed in the approved plans, they can consult with the plan reviewer to get clarification and guidance. Similarly, if a plan reviewer identifies a potential issue during the plan review process, they can communicate this to the inspector so that they can be on the lookout for it during their field inspections. In addition to their technical expertise, both plan reviewers and inspectors must possess strong communication, problem-solving, and interpersonal skills. They need to be able to effectively communicate their findings and recommendations to builders, contractors, and other stakeholders, and they must be able to work collaboratively to find solutions to complex problems. They also need to be able to maintain a professional and courteous demeanor, even in challenging situations. It's also worth noting that the specific requirements and qualifications for plan reviewers and inspectors can vary depending on the jurisdiction. Some jurisdictions may require specific certifications or licenses, while others may have specific educational or experience requirements. It's important for anyone interested in pursuing a career in building inspections to research the specific requirements in their area. The role of the plan reviewer has become increasingly important in recent years due to the increasing complexity of building codes and construction techniques. As buildings become more energy efficient, sustainable, and technologically advanced, the plan reviewer must stay up to date on the latest codes, standards, and best practices. This requires ongoing training and professional development. Similarly, the role of the inspector has also evolved to keep pace with changes in the construction industry. Inspectors must be knowledgeable about new materials, methods, and technologies, and they must be able to adapt to changing conditions on the job site. This also requires ongoing training and professional development. In conclusion, the relationship between plan reviewers and inspectors is a critical one for ensuring the safety and quality of construction projects. While their roles and responsibilities may differ, they are both essential for enforcing building codes, protecting public safety, and promoting a sustainable built environment. Their collaboration, communication, and expertise are key to a successful construction project. Firstly, both plan reviewers and inspectors play vital roles in the construction industry, ensuring that buildings are safe, compliant, and meet the required standards. Secondly, plan reviewers primarily focus on the pre-construction phase, meticulously examining plans and specifications to identify potential issues and ensure compliance with building codes and regulations. Thirdly, inspectors, on the other hand, are primarily involved in the construction phase, conducting on-site inspections to verify that the work being performed aligns with the approved plans and meets code requirements. Fourthly, plan reviewers typically possess a higher level of technical knowledge and expertise, requiring a deep understanding of engineering principles, architectural design, and complex building systems. Fifthly, inspectors, while also requiring a solid understanding of building codes, focus more on the practical application of those codes in the field, identifying code violations and assessing the quality of workmanship. Sixthly, collaboration and communication between planner reviewers and inspectors are crucial for ensuring a smooth and successful construction project, preventing misunderstandings, resolving conflicts, and ensuring that everyone is on the same page. Seventhly, both planner reviewers and inspectors must possess strong communication, problem-solving, and interpersonal skills, effectively communicating their findings and recommendations to builders, contractors, and other stakeholders. Eighthly, the specific requirements and qualifications for plan reviewers and inspectors can vary depending on the jurisdiction, with some requiring specific certifications or licenses, while others have specific educational or experience requirements. Ninthly, the role of the plan reviewer has become increasingly important in recent years due to the increasing complexity of building codes and construction techniques, requiring ongoing training and professional development to stay up to date on the latest codes, standards, and best practices. Tenthly, the role of the inspector has also evolved to keep pace with changes in the construction industry, requiring knowledge about new materials, methods, and technologies, and the ability to adapt to changing conditions on the job site, also necessitating ongoing training and professional development.